To understand how to earn, save, borrow, invest, and protect your money responsibly, you must have financial literacy and empowerment. It is also necessary for creating both short and long-term financial habits and abilities that promote general well-being. But according to recent research by the U.S. Financial Literacy and Education Commission, just 1/3 of adults were able to correctly answer at least 4 out of 5 questions about basic financial concepts, including mortgages, interest rates, inflation, and risk. Why is this important? According to the survey, financial literacy is the key to laying the groundwork for economic opportunity. To be able to do this, you must have a working understanding of fundamental financial ideas as well as the will to continue learning as your finances evolve. But where do you start? And how do you make the time on top of your other obligations and responsibilities? Books on themes ranging from managing debt and maintaining excellent credit to saving for retirement and planning your future are great sources of information on managing your money and safeguarding your future. So guys, stick with me as I take you through 10 effective ways to boost your knowledge of finance and secure your future. You can start by reading financial materials. You can look through or buy a variety of books about money management, but it might not be best for everyone to read them in huge chunks at once. If you're not a regular reader of chapter books or feel like you don't have the time, you should consider a smaller medium. Try reading financial blogs, newsletters, or publications that provide bite-sized information on critical money themes. Learning about money management should be a top priority whether you choose to read a book from the bookshop or get financial advice sent directly to your inbox. Sign up for a class. Some people learn best in a group setting. If that sounds like you, you may find it beneficial to sign up for an in-person financial literacy class. This will enable you to advance your financial literacy at a predetermined rate, and you'll take tests to make sure you comprehend the content. Additionally, you will get a chance to ask questions. As an alternative, you might join an online course for financial literacy and work through the assignments at your leisure. Choosing to learn online or in a physical classroom can help you get closer to having a secure future financially. Create a community of accountability. Even if you have the best of intentions, life occasionally gets in the way of wise saving and investment decisions. Making excuses could lead to you delaying your financial objectives till tomorrow. Having a group of individuals who share your values to hold you accountable in these circumstances might be helpful. If your current friends have similar objectives, consider holding regular gatherings to discuss money-related topics and share knowledge, like a book club. As an alternative, you may join a social media group that already exists as a community. Understand credit scores. It might be challenging to understand credit scores, credit reports, and credit cards, but it doesn't have to be. Instead, proceed gradually. Start by being familiar with credit scores and how they may be a useful tool for achieving financial objectives like owning your apartment or obtaining a car with a low interest rate. Discover what kinds of information on your credit report can affect your score next. After that, you'll start to comprehend how to correctly manage your credit card and loan accounts to boost your credit score. Refocus your social media. Another way you can become financial literate is to read snippets of money concepts on social media platforms. Following finance-focused Instagram accounts like First Financial Bank USA at 1FBUSA can aid in financial literacy as you are reading through images from friends or your favorite apparel brands. You will receive bite-sized financial advice like credit cards or college savings in your feed, allowing you to gradually pick up new ideas and strategies over time. The best part is that when you have read educational accounts from financial institutions like banks or credit unions, you won't need to look for this information anymore. It will come to you. Update or create your budget. Even though this is a basic recommendations, many people have trouble sticking to their spending plans. You must create a budget that is both precise and manageable if you want to remain financially stable. Make sure your spending plan is flexible while still being sufficiently restrained to prevent living paycheck to paycheck. Try the 50-30-20 budget if you are making your first budget. This budget allocates 50% of your income to needs or necessary expenses, 30% to wants or discretionary expenses, and 20% to savings or the future. Gain control over your debt. Furthering your educations at a college or university can be quite expensive. Frequently, students can't pay the entire fee upfront and must use credit cards and student loans to make ends meet. Debt accumulations can also be influenced by other unforeseen expenses, like medical bills or auto maintenance. No matter how much debt you have, you should develop a plan to get rid of it. It's difficult to manage your debt, but if you follow a paycheck schedule, you'll be able to concentrate on your financial objectives, save money, and invest as you like. Invest in your future. The ability to save and invest for the future is a solid sign that you are in control of your financial future. If you don't save any money, a financial emergency or a bad luck situations could cause you to fall behind significantly in your financial goals, even if you already have all the materials possessions you desire. To invest frequently and early is a cliche in the world of finance. By adhering to this maxim, you'll be able to use compound interest to expand your savings. It's in your best interest to start researching investing options now, including an employer match plan or an individual retirement account. Automate your bills and never miss a payment. Automating your financial commitments is similar to placing a plane on autopilot. Although the plane is flying itself, the pilot is still there in the cockpit and ready to take control in case of an emergency. The same is true for your financial situation. By eliminating the pressure of remembering to pay, you also eliminate the chance that you'll make a mistake. You won't miss a payment using automation, and you'll stay clear of overdue costs. Although automating your finances is a great approach to getting them in order, you'll need to make adjustments now and again to make sure everything is running according to plan, much like a pilot would in an emergency. Pay yourself first to grow your savings. An important component of developing financial literacy is learning how to save money. You should set up a portions of your paycheck to be automatically put into your saving accounts, just like you can automate paying your expenses. An automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account is an alternative. By choosing to be proactive and save money before you need it, you demonstrate your financial responsibility by making regular monthly or weekly savings contributions. You'll be better equipped for life in the future if you give up a small portions of your discretionary income now. To make saving money more fun, try a savings challenge. I'm sure that with any of these methods, you can boost your financial literacy. Okay guys, that's all for today. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more.